Hey everybody, it's Neil and my goal is to clean my chandelier, and they sell this stuff here. My chandelier is super high. I can't reach it with this to spray it. So I got myself an aerosol can that'll make it into an aerosol can. It'll make anything into an aerosol. You just unscrew it, pour your liquid in, fill it up with the bike pump, and you're good to go. And then this is the latest piece I got, and this is the sprayer for it. So this here will connect up to a pole, so I could screw it into like a broom handle pole, or my goal is going to be probably to get it into like a really long one for my pool thing or something like that to be able to do it. Let's see, this will turn this way here. Let me loosen this up so it'll hold the can like that. So it's going to hold the can and it's going to push the sprayer. So when let's see, how's it work? So when I push it like this, it'll spray it. So it's going to be like that. And the bottom of it holds up there, so that's gonna adjust up and down, I guess, to be able to make this thing happen. Let's see, how do we do that? Oh, I guess it's already pretty long. So let's go ahead and connect this up. It comes with a little band, and it comes with a string to be able to pull the handle down that'll make it go. So let me go ahead and connect this up here. Let's see how we do this. And okay, so I've got a couple of straps. So this will be in there as such. My little nozzle can aim anyway, so I just have to aim this thing out of the way because that's the filler for it. And this is the idea here. Oops, I just knocked the little tip off. Oh no, I don't. Okay, mine's definitely a non-traditional bottle, but I think we're gonna have success with it because look at this. So this is it here, I've got it. It's Velcroed into there and into there, so it's sturdy in this. I'll have the pole going through there, and then I can just squeeze this, and it's gonna push the little thing down and do the spritz, whatever it is, whatever it's called. And so I will be able to do that. So how cool is that? I am going to be able to clean my chandeliers from way down low just by having the pole in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this thing a try, and hopefully I'll update you with some pictures either here or something. But very cool little item, and I'm excited for this. Thumbs up.